Hello everyone, this is introduction of Manage Device Groups in VMP software. Create a group and add devices to manage the grouped devices uniformly and perform some batch operations. For step 1, in the device list area, click here to enter the group management page and click here to create a group. Enter a group name and press enter or click on the other position on the page. Drag the target device to the created group. Devices of the same series can be added to the same group, for example MX series. After the settings, click OK. To rename a group, right-click the group, select Rename from the pop-up menu and enter a new group name. To delete a device in a group, drag the device out of the group. To delete a group, right-click the group, select Remove Group from the pop-up menu,